bonjour, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, since Easter is on Sunday, and obviously I know Easter is more like it's about more than candy and all that good stuff, like, you know what I mean? This is just like, so obviously Easter is about more than just candy, but when you're younger and like just growing up, you always get like an Easter basket. I mean, some people get like an Easter basket. I always did. If you didn't, I'm sorry, but most people got like Easter baskets for Easter. So I just decided that I'm going to do like 2 videos. So this video, which is Monday, and on Friday I'm going to be recreating my favorite candy as eye looks, or doing my makeup based on my favorite candy look. I don't know what the title is going to be called yet, but all I know is that we're doing candy inspired makeup. So I mean, you guys already seen it in the title or whatever, but today's candy is going to be Sour Patch Kids watermelon. Let me tell y'all something about this right here. This hits different. You don't even have to like Sour Patch Kids to like these, because I am okay with Sour Patch Kids, but I don't really like them that much. They're a little bit too sour for me, but these are just like delicious. So in today's video we are going to be recreating Sour Patch Kids watermelon as my eyeshadow, or doing my eyeshadow based on Sour Patch Kids watermelon. So if you guys want to see that, I guess then just keep on watching. So I also did some face chart makeup just to like figure out what I really want to do. So I'll put that on the screen just so you guys can like see what I drew, and I have the candies right next to it. But we're also gonna open these up just because like I want some, and also because like we need it for inspiration, you know. We're gonna say that we need these for inspiration. So I have what I'm going to do right here. Basically, I feel like I can explain it to you guys and do it while I'm explaining. So I think I'm gonna do like a half cut crease. You guys see the picture right here, the face chart, and then pink, and then I think I'm gonna do some like glitter in the crease and in the inner corner, just to kind of like, that'll kind of represent the sourness, the little sour, y'all know what I'm trying to say, the sour sugar, whatever. Let's open these, you know, because these are so good. Oh, these are so good. Okay, so anyways, yeah, let's do it. Let's do some priming, because if we sit here mukbang, you guys want to see a mukbang of me just eating Sour Patch Kids watermelon? So you see how obviously it looks like a watermelon in a way, so they have green and then like pink. Obviously it's a watermelon, you know. We'll put a picture of them on the screen just so you can see it closer. But so we're going to start off with some green in the crease, and I'm going to be taking the Try palette by Juvia's Place because I want it to be very neon, like pastel kind of. I'm going to sit that right there so I can look at it. Sit up straight, bro. So I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to go into Masai and Tootsie in this palette, and I'm going to start off by stamping that into the crease. So I dip into both of the eyeshadows and put that into the crease. I should probably zoom in a little bit, huh? Just so you guys can like really see what I'm doing, since it's kind of like the main point. Give me 1 second. So now we're up close and I can show you guys a little watermelon thing. So now I'm gonna take the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna go back into the lightest green in the palette and start blending this out. Now I'm gonna take Tootsie again and put it into the crease, but also on the outer part of my eye. You know, candy just like makes you feel better until after you eat it, then like your stomach hurts, but like while you're eating it, it's just so good and it just makes you feel better, you know. And I need to stop eating them. I mean, I didn't eat nearly all of them, but I will before this video is over, and I need them for the thumbnail. So chill. Cute. I feel like that looks pretty much like the little green part. Now I'm gonna cut my crease. We're gonna switch to the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. Obviously I use this palette 24/7, and we're gonna take the first pink, or the very lightest pink, and we're gonna put that on the lid. Well, okay, so now I'm gonna take that brush that we used for the green and just blend out the pink some more, because it's not really blended out. You see that kind of harsh line. Okay, period. Now we're gonna cut my crease to the other eye, then I'll get some glitter. I'm surprised that I'm even doing this to myself right now because I hate glitter. But let me cut the crease and then we'll do the glitter and all that good stuff. So I have all this powder on my face because if there's any glitter fallout, you can just wipe away the powder. But this is basically what I did. So I put a glitter liner in the crease, and then on the outer part, and I'm also going to put some in my inner corner, but I'm going to do that after I do foundation and everything. Yeah, I used ABH Loose Glitter in Glisten, and I'm just using my NYX glitter primer. So I put some of this on the back of my hand, and then I just take a liner brush, and then I'm going to basically line where the crease line is. I'm going to take another liner brush, and I'm going to take some of the glitter and pat it on where I put the glitter primer. It's pretty like self-explanatory. It's just like, just in case anybody doesn't know what I'm doing, I'm going to explain it. And like I said, this glitter kind of signifies like the sour sugar on the Sour Patch Kid. And then I'm gonna take this Morphe E36 brush. I'm basically gonna wipe off where glitter fell onto the crease or onto the lid. Okay. Period. So now that we have this beautiful look that I feel like is a good representation of this bad boy, we're going to go off camera and do my base and just finish up, what is that? Finish up, put on some lashes and then all that good stuff, and then come back and show you guys everything and all that good stuff. So yeah, BRB. Oh, while I'm here really quickly, I can just show you guys. So if you get any fallout, now you can just wipe away the powder, and the glitter fallout basically leaves with it. I'm gonna take a beauty I was gonna say beauty blender. I'm gonna take a makeup remover wipe and remove that excess powder, but now all that glitter is gone. You can also take like a tape, well, put it on your hand a few times and then like dab it so that glitter is really gone, but that's a little quick way to do it. We back. I did my face, which looks immaculate for some reason today, and then I also just did like a nude lip. So we're gonna do, oh, and I put on lashes, I forgot about that. Now we're gonna do my under eye for the lashes because I feel like they look really good. I took the Ardell lashes in 106 and 113 and I just stacked them and then I put them on. So I think I'm just gonna take a little bit of the green and just connect it with the outer part, like a little bit less than halfway. And then I'm gonna take the pink and put it in the front of the eye. So basically the same thing at the top without the glitter, you know what I mean? Okay, now I think we're pretty much all done. This is the finished look inspired by one of my favorite candies, which is the Sour Patch Kid watermelon. I feel like it's so cute. I feel like, honestly, I feel like it represents this candy pretty good, but maybe that's just like me because it's something that I did, but I feel like it looks so cute and I'm super proud of it. I'm really excited for Friday's look because it's gonna be very different, and I love how like colorful this is, and I feel like the colors like match my face chart drawing of what I wanted it to look like, and also this pretty well. So yeah, this was so fun. I honestly definitely recommend getting your favorite candy and just recreating it on your face, your eyeshadow, on anything. Honestly, it's just so fun just to see something like represent something, I guess, if that makes sense. I don't know, I'm just like super excited because I think it looks really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. Stay tuned for Friday's video because I'm going to be recreating another one of my favorite candies. So if you like this video, definitely stay tuned for Friday's video. Yeah, happy Easter. Even though Easter is not till Sunday, that's kind of like what inspired me to do this video idea. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see. Oh, if you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, or if you just want to like support me even more and follow me on my other social medias like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, my Facebook page, all that good stuff is in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Eat more candy, you know.